Hello students, we are discussing the Advanced 2022 paper 1. Let us see this question. It's a question from conics. Consider the parabola y square equal to 4x. Okay, let S be the focus of the parabola and a pair of tangents are drawn from the point to a parabola from the point minus 2 comma 1 which meet the parabola at P1 and P2, and let Q1 and Q2 be the points on the lines SP1 and SP2. P1 and okay, so now let us draw this figure roughly, and after that we will draw the exact diagram. Okay, suppose this is a parabola. Suppose we have a point of over here. We are drawing two tangents. Okay, so a tangent is drawn from here and another tangent is drawn this way, and this is the point which is the second quadrant. Actually, this is the y-axis. Okay, so this is one point that is given to me. It is P SP1. Okay, I'm meeting at P1 and P2. Okay, this is P1 and this is P2. So P1 is one bar tangent and P2 is another tangent. And suppose this is a focus. So we join this SP1 and this join this SP2. And Q1 and Q2 are points on this SP1 where we draw normal. Normal means when you draw, suppose this is Q1 over here. So we draw a normal PQ1. And suppose this is PQ2. Okay, PQ2. This is Q2. Okay, this is perpendicular and this is perpendicular. Okay, so this is what given. Now, what is given? What do you have to find out? Where to find out this? This is say this is Q1. You have to find out SQ1. You have to find out SQ2. We have to find out PQ1. PQ1. This distance you have to find out. This distance PQ1 you have to find out. And again, what Q1 Q2. That is this distance Q1 Q2. This distance you have to find out. Q1 Q2. This distance you have to find out. Okay, Q1 Q2 you have to find out. So these are the things we have to find out. Okay, so what to do is, we should write the equation of the tangent, so parabola, from the point minus 2 1, and we have to find out this point P1 and P2 you have to find out. P1 and P2 you have to find out, and you have to find out Q1 and Q2. SC, SC is what? Focus 1 comma 0, because 4A is equal to 4, so A is equal to 1. So 1 comma 0 is the focus because it's a standard right open parabola. So this is what. So let us see how to draw this. So how to do this question. So I'm drawing a parabola. So it's a parabola. Okay. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and we draw two tangents. Okay. We draw a tangent from here over to this parabola. Okay. And this is another tangent. Okay, this is another tangent to this meeting at this point. Okay, so let it be. Let us draw it like this. Okay, so again, this is what P1 and P2. This is P1 and this is P2. Okay, this point is P1 and this is P2, and this is a P. P is what? Minus 2 comma 1, I think. Yeah, minus 2 comma 1 is this point. Now, suppose this is S. Suppose S is somewhere over here. Say it is. Let it be here. Yes. So this is the focus. I mean, so this line I am joining, okay, SP1, and again this I am joining SP2. Okay, so and what to do next? They are telling draw perpendicular to this SP1. Suppose this is the perpendicular. Suppose that is this is perpendicular. Suppose, okay, and again we draw one more perpendicular to this one. This is what? Another perpendicular. Okay. Now, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Assume that. Okay. So, this is the point Q1 and this is the point Q2. Okay. So, Q1 and Q2. So, Q1 is actually the foot of the perpendicular from this point on this like this is the focus. Okay, this is the focus. Focus is the point 1 comma 0 and this is minus 2 comma 1. Okay, and y square equal to 4x. So a is equal to 1. So when a is equal to 1, it is always better we continue, we do this problem by taking the what is called the parametric form. Okay, at square 2at, so t square comma 2t, because a is equal to 1 and this is what at square minus 2t, at square minus 2t. Okay, t square at square minus 2t. Okay, let us find out the corresponding values of t. See, this is the tangent to the parabola. These two are the tangents to the parabola. What is the equation of tangent? Ty is equal to x plus at square. Ty is equal to x plus at square is the tangent equation. And this tangent is passing through minus 2 comma 1. So we can put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 1. So you are getting t is equal to minus 2 plus a is 1 and t square. So take it to the right side. So t square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. On factorizing, you will be getting t minus 2 into t plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the values of t is equal to 2 and minus 1. T is equal to 2 and minus 1. Okay. So this point is correspondingly, when you put 2 over here, you will be getting, because since it is positive, you know, it will be getting the point in the first quadrant. So this point is what? 2 comma 2 square, that is 4 comma, here t is equal to 2 and here t is equal to what? Minus 1. Here t is equal to minus 1. So this is the point 4 comma 4 and this is the point 1 comma. So this is the point. So P2 is the point. This is P2. P2 is the point 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. Okay. 1 comma minus 2. T square 2t is better, you write t square 2t only. That is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. So this is the point. Okay. Now, in order to find the equation of q1, you know, let us find the foot of the perpendicular from minus 2 on this line. This line. So what about this line, SP? You have to find out this line equation, SP1. Equation of SP1, what is its equation? It is passing through 1 comma 0 and this point is 4 comma 4. So its equation is y minus 0 is equal to m into, m is equal to what? 4 minus 0 by 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1 into x minus what? 1. So when you cross multiply, you will be getting 3y is equal to 4x minus 4. So I take it to the right side, that is 4x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 3y. So this line equation is 4x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of this SP1, and similarly let us find SP2 also, that is same way, SP2, y minus 0 is equal to, okay, change in y coordinate is what? Minus 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 1, that is 0, okay, into x minus 0, okay. So that means that is x minus 1, So when you, that means x is equal to 1 is this line. This line is x minus 1 equal to 0 because their slope is not defined. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of that line. So actually that line is a vertical line because x equal to 1 is a vertical line, but we don't know. Before finding out, we will not be knowing what the exact diagram is. Anyway, let it be. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that means what about the foot of the perpendicular? So let us find the foot of the perpendicular. Our usual method is what? From minus 2 comma 1. Foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 2 comma 1. How we find x minus 2? Let us write next page. Let us write 4x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. And the other one is x equal to 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. From the point x minus 2, x minus x plus 2, y minus 1. Okay, minus 2 comma 1. So foot of the perpendicular divided by what? 4 and minus 3 is equal to minus of 4 into minus 2, minus 2 comma 1. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 3 minus 4 divided by 4 square plus 3 square, that is So 15 by 25, that is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so we can find out x is equal to what? 12 by 5 minus 2, comma y is equal to what? Minus 9 by 5 plus 1. So this is what the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, when you simplify, you will be getting 7 by 5, comma minus 4 by 5. So this is what Q1. This is what Q1. Okay, and the other one will be x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means that is perpendicular, so it will be 1 1 only, but let us see. X equal to 1 means the point is x plus 2 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 by, x plus 2 by 1, okay, equal to, because x plus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0, is equal to y minus 1 by 0, because there is no y term, is equal to minus of, okay, you put minus 2 over there, minus 2 minus 1 by 1, so that is equal to 3. So you will be getting x is equal to 3 minus 2, 1, and y is equal to what? 1. So 1 comma 1 is Q2. So Q2 is the point 1 comma 1. So this is the point 1 comma 1, okay, and this is the point what? 7 by 5 minus 4 by 5. 7 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So P1 and P2 we got 7 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5. And S is 1 comma 0. Now let us find out the things one by one. Let us find SQ1. SQ1 is what? SQ1 is equal to distance SQ1. SQ1 is equal to what? Distance. What is SQ1? Is equal to root of distance between S and what is S and Q1? S and Q1 is S is equal to S, I think this is 2 by 5, I think this is 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5, okay. This is 2 by 5. 12 minus, that is minus 4 by 5, okay. So S is the point 2 by 5, Q1 is the point 2 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5. So what about SQ1 is equal to, this is 2 by 5, okay. So SQ1 is 2 by 5 minus 1, okay. So 3 by 5 square plus 4 by 5 square. So 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. 5 square by 5 square, that is equal to 1. So SQ1 is equal to 1. Let us see, is it correct? SQ1 is equal to 2. So that option is what? Wrong actually. Now let us find out Q1, Q2. So Q1, Q2 is equal to, Q1 is what? 1 comma 1, okay. Q1 is equal, so what is Q1, Q2? Q1, Q2 is equal to, root of 1 minus, that is 2 by 5 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5 the whole square, plus 1 plus 4 by 5, that is 9 by 5 the whole square, that is 81 plus 9, 90, okay. So root of 90 by 25, root of 90 by 25, root of 90 is 3 root 10. So okay, this is equal to 3 root 10 by 5, 3 root 10 by 5. So that I think is correct, okay. So that is correct. So 3 root 10 by 5 is correct. And PQ1, what about PQ1? Okay, PQ1 is equal to PQ1. So distance between P and Q1. So what about this distance? Root of, okay, so it is equal to root of PQ1, 2 by 5 plus 2, 2 by 5 plus 2 the whole square, 2 by 5 plus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 4 by 5 the whole square, that is equal to root of 10 plus 2, 12 by 5, that is 12 square, 144 by 25 plus, this is 5 plus 4, 81. So this is 225, 225 root is 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. So answer to that one is PQ1 is 3, it is correct, okay. Now again SQ2, SQ2 is equal to what? 1 minus 1, 0, that is 1 only actually. SQ2 is equal to 1. Okay, SQT is 1. That again is correct. So options B, C, D are correct and A is wrong. So this is a very simple question actually. Okay, only thing is that you must be able to find out the foot of the perpendicular, the equation of the tangent, etc. very quickly. Okay, thank you.